Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Emporium.com coming at you today for a product spotlight looking at Happy Chap. So I was really happy to have Kyle Olson from Happy Chap come out to this year's Arizona Shavers Meetup, the 5th annual that we hosted back on February 21st, 2026. Kyle was kind enough to join us here on set for a double-edged discourse, and I was able to dive in and ask him some more questions about his brand, his origin story. But you know, he's like a lot of the guys out there. He got started from a personal reason. He had some irritation issues and decided to kind of explore double-edged shaving. I think through a coworker, he got some products. But his dad's actually a chemist, and he had this kind of idea of making his own kind of formulation, and he worked with many iterations to make the Happy Chap soap you see today. It's a tallow-based shaving soap and a line of aftershaves, and even a pre-shave product that he says features frankincense. But you know, we've been carrying it for a few months now, and it's done really well for us overall. It moves, it sells, people seem to like it, people seem to reorder it, and he's got some pretty unique ideas here. You know, in the world of artisan shaving soap, there's a lot of competition out there, so I always ask people, you gotta do something new, unique, or different. I think between his price point, the packaging, and kind of the product promise, some of the ingredients, some of the scents, I think he has something unique here. We'll take just a minute to look through each one and kind of read off some of the scent notes and give you kind of an idea of what Happy Chap's all about. Okay, first up, we're going to look at the black cherry and incense. The main notes are black cherry, leather, and incense. It's a study in contrast, bright morphing into shadow. Incense follows, smoky and resinous, grounding the blend and pulling it into deeper, more enigmatic territory. Okay, next up we have vanilla and vetiver. The top notes are bitter vanilla, caviar, vetiver, and palo santal. It is a take on vanilla and takes into deeper territory, smooth, smoky, and quietly addictive. It opens with bitter vanilla caviar, rich and dark with just enough bite to keep it from slipping into sweetness. Okay, next up is the oud and tonka bean. Notes are cardamom, black pepper, amber, vanilla, patchouli, guaiac wood, tonka bean, and cedar. It blends smooth woods and warmth spice for a scent that feels refined yet grounded. It opens with a sharp aromatic edge of cardamom and black pepper, balanced by the deep warmth of amber and patchouli. Next up we have pulp and petal. It has top notes of passion fruit, elusive pineapple, mangosteen, passion flower, bougainvillea, and coconut cream. It blends sun-ripened fruit with lush florals for a scent that feels like a tropical vacation, even in the office. Next up, we have pine and clementine. Clementine and petitgrain and pine syrup are all the top notes. It's fresh, bright, unmistakably sharp. It's a bold scent built for warmer days, clean, crisp, and full of contrast. It opens with the juicy brightness of clementine, delivering a sweet citrus punch. It's summer for the well-groomed, calm, confident, clean-cut man. Next up, we have sea and juniper. Notes are dry gin, juniper zest, coastal pine. It's fresh, crisp, and effortlessly cool. Sea and juniper is a perfect scent for spring and summer, capturing the essence of warmth, coastal breezes, and sunlit shores. It opens with the bright, invigorating aroma of juniper zest and dry gin, reminiscent of a refreshing cocktail on a warm afternoon. And last up, we have the oak and leather. Notes of French oak, vetiver moss, suede leather, oak moss, sandalwood, and amber. Immerse yourself in the captivating scent of our oak and leather shave soap inspired by Santa Monica Mountains, the birthplace of Happy Chap. Well guys, that's all I got from Happy Chap. You know, I did use the product on set with him. I was impressed. We'll have to do another, dedicated review video with it, maybe, but we like it overall. It sells for our customers. They seem to want to get more of it. We like Kyle. We like that it's made here in America. It's made over in California, and we like supporting a small startup artisan like Kyle. So check out Happy Chap if you haven't already done so, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.